Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to care for your rubbers with Sonax Rubber Care. So these rubbers over time, they become dried out, they become covered in dirt and grime, and one, they look unsightly, but also as soon as winter comes, your doors can start freezing together, also it can start leaking water through, and it's just a pain in the backside. So a simple solution, Sonax GummiPfleger, or translated to English, is Rubber Care. This is a very, very simple thing to use. Take the cap off, give it a shake, and then it has this lovely sponge applicator on the end. And then this little red thing here is a little plunger which allows product to come through. So first use, this is brand new, nothing's coming out. So what I need to do is put onto the rubber, pump it a few times, and then you can see, hopefully you can see the product coming out. Now I can literally go along and just wipe across all of my rubbers. This will help clean, but also add that nice protection. And if it starts to dry out, you just give it another pump and then we're ready to go again. But this little bottle here will do multiple applications. After that, you can see it's starting to pull off a little bit of dirt. After that, I can either let it dry or after a minute or so, I can wipe with a cloth, whatever you prefer. That will stop your door from sticking, from freezing, and also it'll bring this rubber back nice and supple and help with waterproofing and all of the bad things I just mentioned, it will help stop. Also, if you're in the trade, you can also buy this in larger sizes, in an aerosol or even in 5 litres. So, there we go. Sonax GummiPfleger, or Rubber Care. Simple one-step product to solving your rubbers. Thanks for watching, guys. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube. Have a look at them and hit subscribe, hit like, comment, I think, and yeah, that's it. See you there.